So this is the last time my hair will be free. Because today, April 5th, it's going into lockdown. Yes, I'm locking my hair today. I'm so excited. It's been on my spirit for months and months and months, but I've been waiting for my hair obviously to get long enough. And I wanted to do certain styles and things that I ended up not doing at all. And I just finished coming back from a silent retreat and I'm just like, let's go. Like, I'm just over it. I'm over waiting. I found myself in the YouTube rabbit hole and I was like, I could be here for the rest of my life. Like, I am ready to go. And so literally I ordered a few products off of Sally's Beauty. They delivered it to my house within 2 hours. And I was gonna wait until, cause it's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So I was like, oh, you should maybe do it in the morning so that you can get that good lighting. I'm like, no. We not waiting no more. We are doing it. I'm gonna get some clips of me doing the locking as I go. From everything I saw, I really wanna do it myself because the whole thing is that it's this personal journey, right? So from the very beginning, I want it to be this journey that I'm going on myself. I have a sense of the size of the parts that I'm gonna do. I saw that that's really important in the beginning is to make sure you have that sizing and that generally speaking, your locks will get thinner as they mature. So if you know you want them to be medium or whatever, you can kind of lean towards making the parts look a bit bigger. With my hair at this length, this is how long my hair is, if you can see that. So very, very short. And I did research about starting locks on short hair and essentially like, it's gonna look crazy in the beginning, but it's gonna grow really fast because there's less hair that needs to lock. And so as the new growth is growing, it's just growing into the lock versus if you start with longer hair. So originally I was thinking maybe I'd grow it out for like a year and then lock it, but now I'm just like, let me just lock it now, keep it pushing. And yeah, I'm really excited. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. I think I'm gonna make a separate video where I talk about my reasoning behind getting locks and kind of share more about it and all of that. But I just wanted to have some footage of the moments before I decided to lock my hair and how it used to look, especially in those times when maybe the journey's getting a little hard. I'm remembering my like excitement and my enthusiasm because I am really excited and really enthusiastic. And honestly, and I'm sure I'm going to make a longer video where I talk about this, I really am looking for truly the most low maintenance but high sexy style. And as far as I can tell, locks are the answer. So it's just like, let's stop playing these games. Let's make it happen, So with that, my lock journey is beginning. So I just finished locking my hair. I have to say it's very high pressure because you know that you essentially only have one chance to lock your hair. And the decisions you make now will be with you for possibly the next 15 years. Like people wear their locks for a while, y'all. So it was really interesting being like, do I want to make this part a little bigger, a little smaller? And like whatever choice you choose, girl, the next 20 years of your life might be determined by it. And at the same time, knowing that so much happens in the journey that this day, April 5th, 2023, will become just like a long, distant memory. We'll see. It was very spontaneous. The decision was just like do it today. I knew I wanted to do it, but I did not realize it was going to be today. And I want to share the actual product that I ordered because I saw someone use it, a loctician use it, and it's Silk Elements Renourish jojoba oil leave-in conditioner with biotin and silk. So I just use this, and I know that for the most part, when it comes to daily maintenance, you just kind of spray it with some rose water, keep it pushing. So I didn't buy any additional things. I literally just got this pack of 100 clips from Sally, a rat tooth comb, which I otherwise hadn't needed because my hair has been so short, and that leave-in conditioner spray, and that's all I needed to lock my hair, which already to me is such a good sign of how low maintenance this is gonna be. So I'm gonna keep these clips, and I think like for the next couple of hours, I'll probably do some more research, look around at some things just to get a sense of how I should be handling my hair for the next days, weeks, months, and whatnot. But my understanding is that it's very, very, very low maintenance, which is, of course, the thing that I'm most excited about. But I just wanted to make sure I documented this journey and this day, and also for you to see what my parting pattern is like so that later in the years to come, as my hair grows, you get a sense of sort of what I started with in terms of that pattern. So I'm just gonna like rotate my head a little bit and hopefully you're able to see, what I'm working with. I'll go to the other side as well. Because I remember I was looking at this when I was doing my research where I was just like, okay, I want to really be all up in the scalp and really see what the parting looks like to understand, or to at least get a sense of what the sizing will be like, But the thing is, which is also really exciting and cool, is that everyone's locks are unique, which is so beautiful. It's such a metaphor for life. We're all unique. We're all special. So like, even if I followed someone else's exact same regimen with exact same products and exact same timing, whatever, my locks would still look different because I'm a different person with my own unique head of hair, which is so beautiful. But yeah, I am now a part of the lock community. I love this for me. I love being part of communities. Y'all know that already. So thank you for welcoming me already, I'm assuming. Let me know in the comments if you are in the lock community, if you used to be in the lock community, if you want to be in the lock community, say hi and let me know. I especially would love to hear any, reflections from folks who are in the community on things I should consider, things I should expect. I've done a lot of research, so I have a sense, but I'm always learning new things. And actually I'm a creative coach, and it was actually one of my clients who has locks. And at first I thought they were faux locks because they were so long and gorgeous. Not that, of course, natural locks can't be like that, but they were just so long that I was like, oh, those must be, I just assumed they were faux locks. And I was looking at her scalp one day and I was like, those are coming out of her head. And so she gave me all of these tips and best practices. So hey, Jade girl. So I'm really excited to continue to learn. I realize that there are some things that only come from someone telling you their specific experience. It's not necessarily reflected in a YouTube video. So if you have some things from your particular experience that you would like me to know about, please drop them in the comments. I'd love that. Thank you to my Patreon people, the sexiest people to ever do it. Love you, appreciate you. Oh, and follow me on my coaching Instagram if you want. It's Coaching by Chimdi. Okay, bye.